Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what happened first. About a month ago, Steven says, oh, I spilled something in the fridge. I need to clean it up. And I'm like, no, don't worry about it. Like, I got it. I was gonna go through the fridge and clean it anyway. And a day went by, a week went by, another week went by, another week went by. Basically, I didn't do it, right? So today I'm gonna organize my fridge. And before you see it, just know, don't judge me, judge your mother. Okay, so first I'm gonna take off all identifiers from the fridge. Jeez, how long has this been on here? We've had this save the date on the fridge for like ever. The wedding was like 3 years ago. It's my mantra. Alright, now this has been a problem child. This might have to go in the trash because this isn't even peeling off. Alright. Alright, let me show you for real. So this is where the spill happened. And then there's just life in here, and it looks really bad, and that's why we're organizing it. So let's go. Because I had been planning to clean my fridge for a month, every time I stopped at like Home Goods or was browsing on Amazon, I just picked up fridge, freezer, storage organizer bins. So this is a Lazy Susan I got from Amazon. This egg bin came from Home Goods. It was $5.99. This also came from Home Goods and was $5.99. Where did I go to get these? I think these came from Marshall's, and I already took the price tag off because I'm supposed to have already done this. So alright. Oh, by the way, do you like the outfit? I'm gonna take these to the tub and clean them out there. I'm out of breath. And then I'll come back and scrub. Oh, I want to try the, hold on. I want to try this, and then if it works, I'll feel comfortable recommending it, like, for real. So let me spray it on the spill, and then we'll do like a before and after. Okay, there's the spill that's like caked on at this point, and we're just gonna, I guess. Oh, hello. Oh. Okay, that's pretty satisfying. Okay, so I'm gonna come back and it's already starting to drip. Okay, that makes me happy. So I'm gonna, can I clean it right now or should I let it sit? Let me see. Spray, wipe, rinse. For heavily soiled dishes, this will be a heavily soiled dish. Just allow suds to sit for a few minutes, then wipe. Okay, so I'm gonna go clean the other stuff, and then we'll come back to this. Okay, it's been not even that long, maybe like 5 minutes. So let's see. Where's the bottle? The bottle says, what does that say? Spray? No, you can keep it going. Why'd you stop recording?
I'm not. What bottle? I hit the.
You hit the
this?
what?
I hit the power charger.
Okay. It says the Dawn bottle. It says spray.
Spray, wipe, rinse.
Okay. Well, because that would be a dish. Okay, I'm going to wipe. First, I'm going to wipe it. And we'll see if we have to scrub. Can you see the mess? Or you just see me?
See you and the mess.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to wipe. Nuh-uh. Pretty impressive. Okay. Okay, Dawn. That worked. That was pretty easy. Okay. So it works. I tried to put the shelf in first without the drawers. It wouldn't fit. Now I tried putting the drawers into the shelf and putting it in like that. I'm literally sweating. I'm so out of breath. I'll also leave links below of as many things I can find that I used, especially that Dawn Power Spray. I was thoroughly impressed by how quick it worked and how easy it was, and I literally had to scrub nothing. I just wiped it clean, as you saw, and it came right up. Okay. I ain't even gonna hold you. This is about to change the way I grocery shop. I'm about to only get things that color coordinate with my fridge. This looks so good so far. Now I'm just trying to place the bins like where I want them to go, where it makes sense. Things may move once I get more stuff in here, but I'm just trying to see. Let me show you what I got so far. Eggs are in their rightful place. This is the Lazy Susan that I got. Catherine's snacks are in here, and then I want a bin for when you take things out of the freezer to defrost for the day, and I just can't decide if it's gonna be that bin or this bin. This bin I think is for waters, but I might just put the water on the door. I don't know. We gotta see. So let's keep going. So here I'm putting gray duct tape because that's what we already had lying around. And I'm going to mark the things that are about to expire. That way I can see it, know the date is coming up, and then swap it out quicker as opposed to getting in that system of things just sitting in here that have been expired for so long. Thanks, Junior, for that background music. So this is the door of the fridge. These are the liners that I put on the doors. They're the same liners that I used in the under sink kitchen clean video. And we have just cheeses here and then teething toys that I swapped from the fridge to the freezer. This layer we have formula, cranberry sauce, college broth, chicken broth, guacamole, and then this Alani Nu energy drink that I want to try. We have adult beverages down here and baking soda. So that's the full door. And then for this part of the fridge, we have bread, fruit, and empty bin. I feel like I'm going to put like leftovers in that bin, leftovers from dinner from the night before. And this drawer we have garlic and cheese. Down here we have our eggs. I am never storing my eggs any other way ever again. This is so satisfying to look at. And you don't have those ugly styrofoam bins in your fridge. Catherine's snacks that need to be refilled. You have your Lazy Susan with all your condiments here. The jelly needs to be wiped down, so ignore that. Ooh, don't look. Down here we have milk, water, and juice. And in this bin is gonna be the defrost bin. So when we take food from the freezer down to the fridge to defrost, it's gonna go in here. That way I know it's away from everything else and in its own bin. And then we just have boring stuff in here. I couldn't get this crud up, but that was there from when we bought the house. It was already in there. So in here we just have spinach and grape tomatoes and potatoes and bread in here. And then I was feeling froggy, so I leaped to the fridge and added a bin here. I'm trying to get one of these cold so I can drink it now. We freeze butter to, I don't know why we freeze it actually, but it's here. And this is the beef bin, so all beef products are in there. And then just ice, cookies, vegetables. We have a deep freezer, so that's why our freezer looks a little shady. But we do have food. It's all in the deep freezer downstairs. But I'm really proud. This took way longer than I thought it was going to. That I'm not proud of, but I'm proud of how good it looks. And hopefully we can keep it up. Babe?
Yes.
We're gonna keep this up?
Okay.
Alright guys, see you next time.